All right, everybody. I wanted to show you how to access your meal plans for any Beachbody program using Beachbody On Demand. Now, generally, people are struggling because they sometimes don't have they're looking for maybe a paper copy. But what happens is Beachbody is making changes pretty frequently to the plans. So they'll add things and things like that. So having them online makes it really easy that you don't have to you can have an updated version when you get to Beachbody On Demand. So you go to beachbodyondemand.com and then you're going to log in. So the important thing as you go to beachbodyondemand.com, you're going to see the login feature. You'll log in using your credentials that you then signed up with your coach. If you don't have Beachbody On Demand yet, that's something you need to check with your coach on. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to search for your program. Okay, and there'll be those featured programs that you can kind of take a look at. So some of the more popular ones are right now 80-day obsession, 21-day fix, things like that that you'll be looking for so you can page down through. So I'm going to do this example for 80-day obsession. And what you're going to do is you'll hit that and then you're going to get overview workout list. Now, as this is still a releasing program that's going to be happening, this will be populated with workouts. But what we're going to do is we're going to head over to program materials, and then you're going to hit, of course, nutrition. And then that gives you all the different plans that you can see depending on your food guide or food allowance. And that's where the starter guide will help you with that and kind of allowing how much food you actually need for this. So then you can know which plan you're going to eat. And you click the PDF. So for me, I'm a B level of this, and of course it downloads and then it gives you everything that you need to know with regarding eating for your food plan. And this then you can print off if you would want to, but I would probably recommend maybe saving it as a tablet PDF. You can save it to your tablet, or if you just want to save it on your computer and then be able to refer to it later, it'll give you your calorie counts and things like that. And then the big thing you want to make sure that you are doing as well is availing yourself of the really, really great recipes and things that are on our blog. So if you go to the blog area and then you hit the recipes and you're going to go to where it's this recipes tab or your nutrition tab, then you're going to actually find some really, really great things. So in this particular case, I'll hit the recipes for it. And this is going to show for the 80-day obsession. Actually, this is, yeah, so there you go. So you've got a whole different bunch of everything from your chickens, recipes, vegetarian, vegan, breakfast, dinner options, lunch recipes, and this is all going to have those container counts built in, okay? And then the nutrition side, if you hit the nutrition tab, which I think is helpful as well, then you can actually go and you'll see pretty quickly that there for the 80-day obsession, you're going to see post-workout meals and pre-workout meals and different things like that, so you can take a look at. Okay, hope this is helpful to you. If you find that you are stuck and you need some help, please absolutely reach out to your coach, and they will help you find what you are looking for. Thanks.